what I wish I knew about sneezing instead of just saying bless you. Here's a quick sneeze secret that'll blow your mind. Did you know that when you sneeze, it's like your body is shooting out tiny invaders at over 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah sprinting. Now imagine those speedy, germy particles flying around. Not the best guest at a party, right? That's why covering your mouth is crucial. It's not just about manners, it's about protecting everyone around you from getting sick. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, grab a tissue or use the crook of your elbow. Let's keep those germs under control and everyone around us a bit healthier.